reverse, Tim!
Ah, the boat ramp. A place where dreams set sail. Common sense sinks to the bottom. From trucks taking unexpected swimming lessons to boats escaping their owners, today we're diving into the best or worst boat ramp fails. So grab your life jackets, because some of these people are in way over their heads. Literally. And here we have a classic case of who's towing who. This little SUV thought it was in charge until the yacht said, nah, you're coming with me. Ah yes, the classic, let's take it slow approach. Except in the wrong direction. This guy was supposed to back it up like a pro. But instead, he decided to launch his boat like a space shuttle. And here we have a brave man attempting the world's most dangerous sport, walking on a boat ramp. Look at that confidence, the steady pace. Oh, and there it is, gravity wins again. Let's get a slow-mo replay. 10 out of 10 on the form, but a solid 0 on the landing. The latest in marine transportation. Introducing the car-boat hybrid. Now with 0 flotation and 100% regret.
Personal. How'd the car get this far? There it goes. How'd it get this far? I was pumping gas and I saw it in there.
Somebody was drunk.
No.
Here we have a man, a boat, and a pickup truck. And about 0 good decisions. Watch as he bravely volunteers to defy physics, only to instantly regret it. Alright folks, welcome to How Not to Launch a Boat 101.
Alright. There we go. Oh!
Shit. Oh my gosh, are you alright?
No captain, no crew. Just pure chaos on the water. This brave man steps up ready to be the hero of the day. But the boat has other plans. And here we have a man who clearly misunderstood the concept of boat launch. Full throttle, no regrets. Straight onto the ramp, across the concrete, and into the grass like he's auditioning for the next Fast and the Furious, Marine Edition. Two brave sailors setting out on the high seas. Except the high seas are the boat ramp, and the ship is already going down. You gotta admire the teamwork. I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure boats aren't supposed to do that.
Oh, okay.
And here we have a solo boater attempting the rare and risky launch and dash technique. He's confident. He's smooth. Oh wait, the boat's floating away. Straight to the concrete. That's not a launch, that's an emergency landing. Forget the trailer, just send the whole truck in. This guy's out here trying to float a Ford instead of a fishing boat. Ah, love. It makes us do crazy things, like trying to kiss across 2 floating boats. how not to dock a boat tutorial. Here we see our daring captains confidently approaching the dock. And here we have Sarah attempting the legendary Graceful boat exit, a move only mastered by the truly skilled. She lines up the jump, takes the leap, and oh! Here we have a rare sighting of the majestic RV, gracefully migrating towards its natural habitat, the water. Oh wait, no, that's not supposed to happen. This man didn't just back down the ramp, he time traveled. Full throttle, zero hesitation. This captain clearly missed the lesson on how to dock a boat and went straight to how to become a boat sandwich. The captain clearly believes in using every part of the dock for guidance. Left side, boom. Right side, bam. Bonus points for persistence. At this rate, the boat's gonna park itself out of frustration. The squad is locked in, pushing this boat like it owes them money. Oh, and there goes Steve.
Oh!
There you go.
Looks like the only thing he successfully docked was himself into the water.
Hey, we gotta go a little bit more.
Ça c'est drôle à revoir en vrai.
Ouais, continue en haut, c'est pas drôle.
Alright, the boys got the boat back on the trailer. Oh!
There goes the hitch. And there goes the boat. Back to the sea. It's like it never wanted to leave. Look at it go. Confidently pulling that jet ski out like a champ. And there it goes. Back to its natural habitat. Don't worry, we got this, they shout. Well, absolutely not having this. They heroically attempt to stop the inevitable with their bare hands. Genius. Spoiler alert, that boat, yeah, it's officially in submarine mode. This man woke up and chose friction over function. Look at that boat, gracefully scraping across the concrete like a cheese grater on steroids. Here, we see a tow truck performing an emergency fishing expedition, reeling in a rare species known as the Submerged Silverado.
Yeah, he does. Jeez. Look at the back tire. Oh yeah, look, he's in park. Full on. He's in park.
What's up, Brendan?
Nothing says best friend like using your boat's propeller to turn your buddy into a human car wash. This guy was supposed to back the boat into the water, not the entire truck. Looks like he's taking all-terrain vehicle a little too seriously.
That guy is stuck. Chris is flexing, flair on his Hobie.
No.
This is it, folks. Precision docking at its wait a minute! Oh, we got a plot twist. The boat just swerved like it saw its ex's car in the parking lot. Straight to the dock. Ah yes, behold, the rare and majestic Aqua truck. Half pickup, half boat, and fully confused. The Ford pickup truck. Built tough, ready for anything, except maybe deep sea exploration.
Is this boat hooked up still?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, fuck yeah, bro. You did it good.
Well, folks, there you have it. Proof that not everyone should be trusted near water, or heavy machinery, or basic decision making. If you enjoyed watching these floating disasters, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more epic fails. And remember, if you're heading to the boat ramp, maybe bring a life jacket. Not for safety, just to hide your face from embarrassment. See you next time.